Dear students, good morning. In this session, we start new chapter, that is coordinate geometry, chapter 3rd. So in chapter 3rd, first we understand what is Cartesian plane. Cartesian plane, xy axis, coordinate axis and 2D plane is the same thing. That is called Cartesian plane. That is called xy axis and that is called coordinate axis or 2D plane. This plane has two axes, one horizontal axis and one vertical axis. Horizontal axis is known as x-axis and vertical axis is known as y-axis. These two axes intersect perpendicularly each other at a point O. O is called origin, and these two coordinate axes divide the whole plane in four equal parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these four parts are called quadrants. So this is the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. So a Cartesian plane have four quadrants. In first quadrant, both signs are positive. First one is called abscissa and second one is called ordinate and whole is called coordinate. So xy is the point of any coordinate of any point and x is called abscissa and y is called ordinate and combined xy is called coordinate. So if the sign of both abscissa and ordinate is positive, then this point is always come in first quadrant. If the sign of abscissa is negative and the sign of ordinate is positive, then it comes in second quadrant. If the sign of abscissa and ordinate both are negative, then it comes in third quadrant. If the sign of abscissa is positive and ordinate is negative, then it comes in fourth quadrant. So how will we plot the points? First we travel on x-axis. Suppose we plot point 2, 5. So on plotting point 2, point, we start from origin. First we travel on x-axis 2 points. Then we travel 5 on y-axis 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the position of 2, 5 is in first quadrant and at that point. So because both are positive, so they comes in first quadrant. Now we plot another point. Suppose we take a point -2, -2. So where it lie? We start from origin and travel to -2 and then -2 downward. So this is the position of that point. The position of another point, suppose the point is -3, 1. So where it lie? From origin, first we go from -3, then -1, then +1. So the position of that point is -3, 1. Last, suppose we plot 3, -2. So this is 3 and -2. The position of 3, -2 is this. This is the procedure plotting the point. So we start from exercise 3.2. First question. Write the answer each of the following question. What is the name of horizontal and vertical lines drawn determine the position of any point in a Cartesian plane? So horizontal line, this is the horizontal line. Horizontal line is known as x-axis and vertical line is known as y-axis. So write down x-axis, y-axis. Second question, exercise 3.2 हम लोग सॉल्व कर रहे हैं. इसका हमने फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का आंसर आप लोगों को बताया, x-axis, y-axis. What is the name of each part of the plane formed by these two lines? So each part is called quadrant. Each part is called quadrant. Our answer is quadrant. Write the name of point where these two lines intersect. that is origin where two lines intersect. Question number second, see figure 3.14. This is the figure number 3.14. ये मैंने 3.14 फिगर को ड्रॉ कर दिया है. ये फिगर है 3.14. The coordinate of B कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ B क्या हो जाएंगे? कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ B -6 2. नेक्स्ट -6 नहीं बेटा 5 है, यहाँ है पोजीशन उसकी. ठीक है, ये भी इधर कर दो. -5, 2. नेक्स्ट द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट C पॉइंट के कोऑर्डिनेट C देखिए, C ये द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट C इज 5 -5. द पॉइंट आइडेंटिफाई -3 -5. -3 -5 पे देखिए, -3 -5 द पॉइंट आइडेंटिफाई. तो -3 -5 पे कौन सा पॉइंट आइडेंटिफाई हो रहा? आंसर इज E. द पॉइंट आइडेंटिफाई 2, -4. 1 2 2, -4 G. द एब्सिसा ऑफ D. द एब्सिसा ऑफ D की एब्सिसा क्या होगी? 6 और पॉइंट हो गया 2, तो एब्सिसा इज, दिस इज द एब्सिसा. नेक्स्ट द ऑर्डिनेट ऑफ पॉइंट H पॉइंट का ऑर्डिनेट क्या होगा? द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ H इज -5 -3. सो ordinate of point H is -3. This is the ordinate. Write down -3 answer. The coordinate of point L. The coordinate of point L is 0, 5. The coordinate of point M. The coordinate of point M is -3, 0. Now we solve next exercise, that is exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3. First, in which quadrant or on which axis the following point lies? Verify your answer by locating them in a Cartesian plane. So first you write down point and then you write down quadrant or axis. तो राइट डाउन द पॉइंट -2, 4, 3, -1, -1, -0, 1, 2, -3, -5. So the quadrant of that point is second quadrant. The quadrant of that point is fourth quadrant. The quadrant of that point is x-axis. ठीक है, x-axis. 1, 2 first, -3, -5 third. You actually plot this point on the Cartesian plane. एक Cartesian plane बना के इनको plot भी कर देना. In next question, plot the point x, y given in the following table, choosing the suitable unit at a distance on x-axis. 1 2 3 4 7 minus 8 phi y dash x dash. First point is minus 2 comma 8. So in question number second we plot the point minus 2 comma 8. Minus 2 comma 8, that is minus 2 and 8. So the position of that point is minus 2 comma 8. Next point is minus 1 comma 7. So minus 1 7, this is the position, minus 1 comma 7. Next 0 comma minus 1.25, this is the minus 1 and 0.25 approximately here 1/4 of this. So we write down 0 comma minus 1.25. Next one is 1 comma 3, this is 1 comma 3. 3 comma minus 1, this is 3, this is the coordinate of 3 comma minus 1. So complete exercise 3.2 and 3.3 only. Thank you.